Good morning, my students. Today is Monday and we have come again to continue our lessons. This morning, I hope everyone is doing well. Estrella, how are you? Teresa, I hope you are okay. Donna, how are you doing? Emma, I hope you are doing wonderfully well. Estelle, how are you? Sergio and the sister, Carota, I hope all of you are doing good. This morning, we are going to continue our lessons. And then the subject that we are going to do today is mathematics. The subject that we are going to do today is mathematics. And then I know that you people like mathematics. And the topic is rotation of shapes. I think last week Friday we did rotation of shapes. And then we were rotating the shape, the original shape, through clockwise 90 degrees. We're rotating the original shape through clockwise 90 degrees. But today we are going to look at how to rotate the coordinates through coordinate anti-clockwise through 90 degrees. Anti-clockwise through 90 degrees. So last week I told you that if you are rotating shapes, if it is clockwise, you go on your right side like this, you go like this. If it is anti-clockwise, you go like this. So clockwise, you go, if I'm standing like this, you go like this, anti-clockwise like this. So that's what we learned the other day, and then we were able to draw the shape that I gave you through clockwise 90 degrees. Now today on the board, we have rotation of shapes. And then here we have the first question. Draw on the grid negative 6 to 6 on both axes. That's x axis and then y axis. So let's draw our lines. That's both x axis and then y axis. Now we have our lines. Now let's put our numbers. Here 1, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we said up to 6. The question says from negative 6 to 6. So here 6, here 2 the same. Here 2 up to 6. 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. Then we go to the next one. On the here is what x axis. And here we have what y axis. So here on the positive side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Then let's go to the negative side. The negative side we have here 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and then negative 6. So here we have, now we've drawn the lines, that's both x axis and then y axis. Now let's go to the second question. It says plot the coordinates 1, 1. We are going to plot the coordinates 1, 1, positive 1, positive 1. That's, I've told you that the first numbers are on x-axis, and then the second numbers are on the y-axis. So 1, 1. So we look at the first one here on the x-axis here, and then on the y-axis is also positive, so they will meet here. So 1, 1. Then the second one is 6, 1. 6, 1. So on the first one, on the x-axis, positive 6 is here. So we have 6 and then 1. So they will meet here. 6 and then 1. Then we go to the next one. The next one is 1, 4. 1, 4. 1, 4. So we have 1 and then the 4 is here. They will meet here. 1. 1 and then 4. Then the last one is 6, 4. 6, 4. 6, 4. So we have 6 is here, we have 4. 6, 4. So they will meet here. 6, 4. Now let's join the points. We have this one. So we get the shape rectangle. We get the shape rectangle. A shape rectangle. Now, let's go to the next question. That is, rotate the original shape anti-clockwise through 90. We are rotating the original shape anti-clockwise through 90. Anti-clockwise through 90. So clockwise will go like this. Anti-clockwise will go like this. Now, if you look at the original shape, we are rotating this one through anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise will go on our left. So here, if you are rotating, always this number that's here, the last number, that's the y numbers that are here, what they will come here in front, and they will come in front and they will become negative. They will come in front and they become negative. So let's look at the first one. 1, 1. 1, 1, this number here, the last number here, the y number here will come and then become what? Negative. So we get negative here. So they will meet here. So we have negative 1, 1. So negative 1, 1. Negative 1, 1. Negative 1, 1. Then we go to the next one. The next one is what? 6, 1. This 6, 1, the negative one, the one here will come in front and becomes what? Negative. So 1, 6, it will come here. So 1, 6 will come here. So negative 1, 6. Negative 1, 6. I've told you that the y numbers that are here will come in front and becomes what? And become negative. And become negative. Then let's go to the next number. That's 1, 4. This 1, 4, the y number that is here will come in front and become negative. The y number there will come in front and becomes negative. So here we have what? Negative 4, 1. Negative 4, 1, they will meet here. So we have negative 4, 1. Negative 4, 1. Negative 4, 1. Then the last one is what? 6, 4. 6, 4. So this 6, 4, the y number that is here will come in front and becomes negative 4. Negative 4. So we have negative 4, 6. They will meet here. So negative 4, 6. Now let's join the points. So this is how to rotate this shape anti-clockwise through 90 degrees. This is the original shape. So if you want to rotate it anti-clockwise through 90 degrees. This is how it will become. I hope you have understood it. Because last week we did how to rotate coordinates through clockwise through 90 degrees. Through 90 degrees, and then we will get the shape here. Now we have rotated this shape anti-clockwise through 90, and this is the shape. Now, if it is the last time I told you that if you are rotating here, you come here is what, 90. If you are to rotate it 180 through 180 degrees, it will come here. If it is 270, it will come here. That is clockwise. But if it is not clockwise and then it is anti-clockwise, here will be 90, here will be 180, because you are going anti-clockwise. So here will be 90, here will be 180, and here will be 270. I hope my children, since we started last week and then we did the one of what, clockwise, and then we have done anti-clockwise, you have understood what we are doing. There is an exercise that I put it at the back of the paper that I'm going to give you. Everybody try to solve that question. It is not difficult, it is easy to do it. So please, I've told you that when you are doing this graph work, we use pencil and ruler. Use pencil and ruler because I want your lines to be straight. Me, I'm not using blackboard ruler. That's why I'm using my free hand to draw these lines. Please, your own, use ruler and then pencil so that your lines will be straight. Thank you, and may God bless you. Have a nice day.